I thought I would show you one of the most powerful filters on Sales Navigator. Whether you're in business development or looking for a job, I think this filter is just amazing. So we've selected automotive, which is my industry, and we've got 450,000 companies has come up under accounts results. And we've got several ways of filtering this. Suppose we're trying to find a very large, growing automotive company, somebody like Tesla. So we could do it by company headcount, and we can select 10,000 employees, and we get 1,000 results. We can then say, well, we know Tesla are growing at least 20% a year. So we can say company headcount growth 20%. And indeed, Tesla does come up, but amongst 160 results. Suppose we want to try and do that a little bit quicker, a little bit easier. The best filter to use is department headcount. So what do we know about Tesla? Well, they're mainly an engineering company. So engineering and operations are probably their two biggest departments. So we're going to say they've got an engineering department of 4,000 engineers. So we get 23 results. And we're going to say that they're growing their engineering department maybe 20%. And Tesla does indeed come up, and it's only amongst 3 other companies in automotive, Tata and Maruti Suzuki. So suppose we want to dig a bit deeper and look at Tesla. So if we click on the company name, you get distribution and headcount. And indeed, engineering has been growing 33% in the last year, and operations has been growing 22% in the last year. And you can actually look at a chart of new hires, and you can actually see the overall employee count. So it's gone from 36,881. They've gone from in October 2020 to the last data in Sales Navigator says for Tesla, they were employing 47,949. So in a year, their headcount has gone up 30%.